The 2102 ScotRail service to Carlisle is delayed by approximately 15 minutes due to... Please listen for further announcements.
The next train to depart from platform 6 will be the 2021 Northern service to Leeds, calling at Helsby, Frodsham, Runcorn East, Warrington Bank Quay, Earlstown, Newton the Willows, Manchester Victoria, Rochdale, Todmorden, Hebden Bridge, Mytholmroyd, Selby Bridge, Halifax, Bradford Interchange, New Pudsey and Leeds. Platform 6 for the 2021 Northern service to Leeds. When boarding the train, please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge.
Platform 3 for the 1809 Hull Trains service to calling at Grantham, Retford, Doncaster, Selby, Howden, Brough, Hull, and this train may be delayed after Stevenage. This is due to a fault with the signalling system between Huntingdon and Peterborough.
Train at platform 3 is the 1945 Arriva Trains Wales service to calling at Lydney, Chepstow, Caldecott, Seven Tunnel Junction, Newport, and platform 3 for the 1945 Arriva Trains Wales service to...
The next train to arrive at platform 5 is the 1453 Southern service to Purley and Caterham and Tattenham Corner. This train is formed of coach. Customers for East Croydon, South Croydon, Purley Oaks and Purley may travel in any part of the train. Customers for Kenley, Whiteleaf, Whiteleaf South and Caterham should travel in the middle coach of the train. Customers for Reedham, Caulston Town, Woodmansterne, Chipstead, Kingswood, Tadworth and Tattenham Corner should travel in the rear 5 coaches of the train.
Train to arrive at platform 4 is the 0948 service to Swansea and Llandudno Junction. Make sure you travel in the correct part of this train. Customers for Alderley Edge, Crewe, Nantwich, Whitchurch, Shropshire, Wem, Shrewsbury, Stretton, Crichton Arms, Ludlow, Leicester, Hereford, Abergavenny, Pontypool New Inn, Cwmbran, Newport, Cardiff Central, Bridgend, Pyle, Port Talbot Parkway, Swansea, Wrexham General, Chester, Shotton, Flint, Prestatyn, Brill, Abergele and Pensham, Colwyn Bay and Llandudno Junction may travel in any part of the train. This train will divide at Cardiff Central. Note, this train will not call at Wrenbury, Preece and Yorton. A service of drinks is available on this train. The train to arrive at platform 4 is the 0948 service to Swansea and Llandudno Junction.
Welcome aboard the 7th service to Seaford. Calling at New Haven Harbour, Bishopstown, and Seaford.
The next bus to depart from the station entrance will be the 1240 Transport for Wales service to calling at and the station entrance for the 1240 Transport for Wales service to passengers are reminded that cycles are not carried on this service.
To arrive at at platform 2 will be the 1807 Great Western Railway service to calling at and where the train divides. Please make sure you travel in the correct portion of the train. Please travel in the rear coaches of the train, for only the front coaches of the train will detach and terminate at Westbury. Platform 2 for the 1807 Great Western Railway service to. This train may be disrupted after Trowbridge. This is due to emergency engineering works between Swindon and Westbury.
Is the 1614 service to Birmingham International. This service is currently on time. Killington, Oldham, Shrewsbury, Leamington, Tottenham Central, Wolverhampton, Smethick Gorton Bridge, Birmingham New Street, and Birmingham International. This service is operated by Arriva Trains.